My name is Sheikh Zishan. I am studying BSc first year in Government Degree College, Bendara, Asifabad. Our topic is about estimation and assessment of heavy metals in contaminated soil and plants. My team members are Saigara, Santoshi, Shravani, Akifa. Introduction. The social and environmental impact imposed by landfills received attention in recent decades. The enormous amount of solid waste generated in Asifabad is dumped in introduction. The social and environmental impact imposed by landfills received interest in recent decades. The enormous amount of solid waste generated in Asifabad is dumped into landfill sites. Heavy metals are particularly insidious and lead to the phenomenon of bioaccumulation and biomagnification objectives. The aim of this project work is the assessment of heavy metals in contaminated plants and soil around landfills in Asifabad Mandal district of Asifabad.
My name is Durga Santoshi from BSc final year. Today my topic is environmental pollution. Pollution is defined in various ways. It is considered as the release of unwanted substances to the environment by man in quantities that damage either the health or the resource itself. Land, solid waste pollutions, improper management of solid waste is one of the causes of environmental pollutions. Land pollution is one of the major forms of environmental catastrophes. Our world is facing today. Deposition of wastes from heavy metal industries into landfills without special precautions has been added.
This is Sai Kumar, BSc first year, Bendara Degree College. As a part of Jignasa, today's my topic is methodology and materials and methods. The soil and plant materials are randomly collected from the region of Asifabad. Samples are collected as per standard procedures. Analysis of soil and heavy metals are observed by spectrophotometer. Soil samples are randomly collected from 3 selected locations that are Kamana, Asifabad and Valkiri. Thank you.
I am Shripati Shravani from BSc final year. Today my topic is analysis plant sample of Nerium, Paratropis and Datura are collected at the landfill site of Valkiri. Live plant pots that example shoes were collected randomly from the plant found in target study area. All the sample were red for 7 days. The sample were overread at 60 degrees centigrade temperature to a constant weight and ground to powder. 3 dried samples were digested with a mixture 3:1 concentration nitric acid and hydrochloric acid in microwave. 2 each microwave extraction is 6 ml of nitric acid and 2 ml of hydrochloric acid together with 0.8 gram of plant sample was added.
My topic is find and analyze. The toxic level of the soil samples arsenic 22 ppm, cadmium 5 ppm, chromium, copper, nickel and lead. These are 100 ppm. And the toxic level of three plant samples arsenic 2 ppm, cadmium copper and